Hi guys, so today I wanted to do a sound comparison against a LiftMaster 3220 screw drive from August of 2005 and a LiftMaster 3850P belt drive. It's a little faded. Let me get the other side. January 2010. So I think these are around the same noise level. If not, this could be a little quieter for some reason. I don't know why, but these things seem to sound really quiet when they're not hooked up on the rails. Now, the comparison makes it really fair for both openers, because none of them are even on rails, and not on doors either. So, we are going to start with the screw drive. Oh, it's not plugged in. It's not plugged in. Silly me. Anyway, let's plug it in. And let's run the LiftMaster screw drive. It's quiet in person. I don't know how it is on camera, but it's quiet in person. And down. This thing is stubborn. Let me try again. Sorry. Okay, well that's enough to get in the screwdriver. You don't need to close it all. Anyways, that is the LiftMaster screw drive. Now let's do the LiftMaster belt drive. Now these do use completely different motors. This one has an AC motor. This is a DC motor. Let's run it. Alright. These DC units have the soft start/stop thing. This one on it doesn't seem to work that well. The way down it works okay, but on the way up it doesn't. But these are both fairly quiet machines. Whoops. Well, nope. I can hold the button on this one. It's a lot easier. So yeah, that's a belt drive versus a screw drive. Thank you for watching. I could not use this thing because I don't have any wires hooked on it, but anyways, that's going to be about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed.